So whether we end 2020 with a zombie attack or a meteorite that just so happens to hit the spot, be sure you, your family, and your loved ones are protected. Be prepared for emergencies with our collection of kits designed to help protect you in just about any circumstance. This holiday season, you can show your love for that other person depending on what kit you order. Johnny hasn't been as good this year? Get him kit number 1. Who cares about his hands? Woodworker Express has 3 kits available for purchase. Kit number 1 includes coveralls and a face shield. Kit number 2, coveralls, face shield, and a box of 10 KN95 masks. Kit number 3 is everything we just talked about, plus a box of 100 nitrile gloves. 5 mil. That's right, protection. Woodworker Express.com.